What are polygons? Polygons are plane figures which are flat. And another word for figures is polygons are just shapes. Figures are shapes. They have to be flat, they're not three-dimensional. They're shapes that you draw on a piece of paper. And they're made of 3 or more line segments. The line segments make the sides of the polygon. So this part of a polygon is called its side. The angle in a polygon is the inside of a vertex, which are these parts right here. These are all the angles. And then the vertex is, or the vertice, is a corner. And that's where two sides meet. So when we look at any polygon, the number of angles, sides, and vertices will match. So for example, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. Something else about polygons is that they can be, they need to be made of line segments that do not cross each other. So for example, down here, the examples of polygons would be this one, not this because of the crossing right here, this shape, not this shape because of this wavy line right there, this shape here, not this next shape because this is just an angle. It needs to be closed off. And these are just parallel lines, so they are not polygons. Something else about polygons is they can be concave or convex. So if we look here, this is an example of a concave polygon. And when we talked about it, we talked about how it looks like it has like this little dent or a little cave in it. And convex polygons have sides that form kind of a point pushing out of the polygon. So, for example, number 24, this is a convex polygon because of these corners pushing out, these vertices pushing out. Number 25 would be concave because of this, for lack of a better term, a dent in it or a cave or a cavity. Number 26 would be concave because of this spot right here. And number 27 would be convex because of these vertices that are pushing out. So those are a few things about polygons. The next tutorial will explain, no, we're doing that right now, sorry. Names of polygons. So polygons are named mostly according to how many sides they have. So a three-sided polygon, all the names are right here. Three-sided polygon is called a triangle because tri means 3. 4 sides is a quadrilateral because quad means 4. 5-sided polygons are a pentagon because penta means 5. 6 sides are hexagon, hexa meaning 6. 8 sides octagon, octa meaning 8. And 10-sided polygons are called decagons, deca meaning 10. So the figure in number 28 is a hexagon. And we know that by counting its sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. The next one is a triangle. And we know that by counting its sides. 1, 2, 3 sides. Number 30 is a pentagon. And we can tell that by counting sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Scrolling down. Number 31 is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 32 is an octagon. And it has 8 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A way to remember octagon is octopus. Octopus have 8 tentacles, just like the octagon has 8 sides. Number 33 is a hexagon. Hexa meaning 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a way to remember that is 6 and hex both have that X sound in them. 34 is a pentagon, different looking pentagon. 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35 is a decagon, meaning 10 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you know that a decade is 10 years, you can use that to help you remember that a decagon is 10 sides. Number 36 is an octagon. Whoops. Now it's an irregular looking octagon, but it has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's how you can decide what kind of polygon you're looking at. And these are important to know without having to look at them on a list somewhere, the names of the different polygons. Now the next tutorial will explain more about special kinds of polygons that are quadrilaterals, because there's a bunch of different quadrilaterals that can be classified many different ways.